Alright, man, so this is a little bit more my style. Yeah. I like this, even though this thing has been sitting for a good minute. Here's, I don't, you can you see the spider web? Freaking spider web, like right, I don't think you can see it, but it's right here. Yeah. We got ourselves a Sport Fury, man. And I'll tell you, I've always liked these dash layouts on these cars. Yes, I have. I found a four-door. What was it, though? It wasn't a Fury. It's been a while. But that was a 71, I think, also. Is this a 71? I think it is. That thing had a 440 in it, man. Yeah, I like that. I really do. That's neat. Your speaker here. Left to right, but it goes up and down. Yeah. Cool. Like that. Here's your radio. Plymouth. Go around the other side. Let's see, is there anything in there? Oh no, there's nothing in there. Nothing with that. Oh shoot! Whoa! Look at that, man. Crap, man. You can't. How old is this quarter? 1984. Not that old. Relatively speaking, anyways. Got another quarter. 86. Where were you in 86? Oh, there's another one. Ooh, this one's from like 1970, almost looks like it. Yeah, but she's not. Alright, yeah, okay, cool. That's it. The rest are pennies, right? Yeah, I think the rest are pennies. We're gonna leave the pennies. Anyways, we step on out. What did I make today? Shoot, damn near $1. Man, I'm the black today. Look at that. Not in the red. They don't charge to get in this yard though. Yeah. Like I said, man, she's a two-door, man. I don't know if I mentioned that already. I mean, like I said, it's been sitting for I don't know how long. Busted the back window. I wonder if they did that here. They probably busted this window too. Yeah. I wanted to bet. They're vinyl top, so yeah, that's gonna be a problem. A little bit rough down here. Let's see if I can. Oh, Dave Moritz. That's sold new here, I think. Here in. What's that, in Arlington? Man, I need to get this thing out of the way here. Let's see. Can I get a good shot without the freaking... And I'm kind of backlit. Sun is back there. I'm gonna bust my ass here. Yeah. Like this tail panel. Dave Moritz. Sport Fury. There's your. Oh crap! I'm gonna bust my ass here. Gotta be careful. She's really, man. She's really, yeah, you can tell the damage was done by that that vinyl top. There's a lot right there. Oh yeah. This was done by the yard though. That's new. Usually a damage is usually caused in a size like that. It's not like real major. Usually caused by the junkyard. Damn it, I can't open the door now. I didn't see that last time. What was this? Was that new? I don't think that's new. I don't know. Hard to tell. Probably not. And I bet this was back. Let's see, was it? You know what I'm looking for, right? You know what I'm looking for, you know. Let's see if it was made in the US. It don't say though. Parts Master. I wonder who made that. Alright. Yeah, she said this top's got a lot of rust, you can tell. Oh man. You know what? I'm gonna turn the light on here. See if we can see anything. Anything back there? I'm just sticking my hand in there, so there's something in there. Crap. I can't really. I'm gonna have to wait till I look at the video again. What's that? Oh. Alright. Something to grab my hand in there, bite me or something. Alright. Look underneath real quick. I can't really tell much. But then Derby guys would like this, boy. See that VIN? I think you really see it on this one. PH29L0, was that 0 or an O? D293874. Last in a row, 2004. Man. Got some body work right here. Old body work. You can see it. Yeah, you can see it. Check out the front, man. Still got the hideaway headlights. This grill is actually not in bad shape that I can see, unless I hear a little bit, but yeah. Oh crap, can I open it from this side? Barely want to peek out. These things got some mean, out of me look to them, man, with these, boy, when those headlights come out like that. Heck yeah. Of course, you know, drivetrain is gone, and it would say a 383 was in here, and as it says 1970 model year. So there you go. There you go. And from the looks of it, I think it looks like it's been a while since they pulled that drivetrain. There are the numbers on it. It's like they were hitting it with maybe a BB gun or something. Pop, 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 pop. Pellet gun. Well, there it is, man. This is another badass ride, man. I wish I could find one in decent shape. I like how long they are. That's nice. Alright, man. That's gonna do it for this one. On to the next one.